it's a quashing petition, but I've had to come during the vacation because earlier it was filed under the nomenclature of a criminal miscellaneous application. That notice was issued, report was called from the investigating officer. Subsequently, the coordinate bench was of the view that you should file a special criminal application. Yes. Yes. So the role of the present petitioner is that he was the director of the bank. The case of the prosecution is this wise, that a lady comes to the bank to take a loan in the name of two firms. One is a sole proprietary firm and the other is a partnership firm. Who are the partners? The husband and wife. Two loans are sanctioned to the tune of 50 lakhs and 50 lakhs each. The amount is deposited in both the firms, the sole proprietary firm and the partnership firm. After the account gets NPA and SARFAESI proceedings are to be undertaken, at that time the lady comes out and says that I have never received that amount. It was one Mr. Kinnar and one Mr. Chintan who introduced me to the bank for getting the loan. They have taken the amount. Now, sir, for the sake of argument, just keep these two persons away. What is my role as a director today? Am I in charge of the day-to-day affairs of the bank, in even grant of loans? The answer would be no. Second, in cases of Indian Penal Code offences, would there be a vicarious liability thrust upon a director? Because the law is very clear that unless and until the statute does not provide for vicarious, like Negotiable Instruments Act, Essential Commodities Act, so on and so forth, number of other offences where there is a provision. It says that every director who is in charge of an official, for the business of the company is responsible. In fact, in Negotiable Instruments Act, the offence says that they are deemed to be guilty unless proved otherwise. So the entire reverse analogy of criminal jurisprudence is put in 138. Here, all offences under Indian Penal Code. So what is my role as a managing director or director of the company? Unless it is their case that I have also pocketed some amount. No, that is not even the case of the prosecution. That is why, sir, now I am here before this honorable court. And sir, two of the accused persons, one accused person has been protected. He wanted to his daughter's marriage was there, so he asked for 21 days of bail. Protection. That protection has continued even after the marriage since last about 2 months. He is there. That is one Mr. Kinnar. Yes, and one Mr. Chintan. These are the two orders passed now. Orders. But I should clarify to your lordships in all fairness that these are in anticipatory bail application. I preferred a quashing petition. That is how